So friend, this is my online test discussion. In this my video computer hardware related courses. So this is a very important for understand about my last video is really very important for you because my all video part wise and all video you can on to another side. So what types of computer video, how many type of computer, main computer, what is the main computer, how this work, what is a supercomputer, and a very important for understand about the supercomputer we I will type of. So I'm already created a supercomputer related of video. So watch previous video. Link in description and main computer. Okay. So embedded computer. What is the embedded computer? What is the computer hardware and why call this hardware? What is the computer software? We important for understand about without the hardware not work software, software not work without hardware. Okay. So this is one type of software basic of component parts understand about and previous video I am discussed LCD LED related everything screen resolution. What is a plasma display plasma technology? Okay. So watch video previous video in my computer hardware channel playlist. Okay. So you can see here this is a hardware playlist and what is the OLED technology, how this OLED technology work. Okay, so what is the OLED and how this working your system after OLED set structure of this work and OLED monitors how these challenges one type of marketplace OLED market how this working and very important for understand about what is the 4K LED technology, what is the 4K and very ultra pixel working. You can see here what is the projector technology, three type of technology I am created last my previous video very important for understand about the projector. So this is the LCD projector, you can see DLP LCD DLP in Rare Projector. Understand about old generation type of LCD and after CRT technology created. LCD how this working system start. DLP projector how this start and DLP technology different type of working system. You can see here this is DLP projector system and after Rare projector system different type of Rare projector system how this Rare projector system work. Okay, and Rare projector system how this setup. So today new topic on start new part of a computer hardware, new part of a computer system, CPU. So computer hardware in parts devices. I am complete created mouse related information video in a computer hardware playlist. Second is a keyboard related created video in my computer hardware playlist. Third is a created monitor related everything. Third important of monitor parts. Okay. Fourth is a main important part of CPU computer hardware parts. Okay. So understand about the CPU related everything. So CPU and what is a CPU? Why use CPU? Everything I will discuss in this video. So what is the first understand about the CPU? Okay. So computer any using any system, this part is very important of computer hardware and computer parts in most of usually CPU, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, monitor, and keyboard, mouse with SMTS, other type of parts available in market. But this is 5 very important for your computer. So understand about the CPU. Let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online touch discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so friend, this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want, information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you. You are computer beginner, so you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
So friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I
this is my
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So CPU means a very important of part computer. You are any watch video in a computer, you are any work, any file making, any file you creating, modifying, you are watch any photos, you are watch any website, you are any work, software, application, programming, networking, everything. You are any small to small work. So this is work by main of part CPU, central processing unit. Without this processor, without CPU processor not working in a computer. This is a very important part of a CPU. So first we are understand what is a CPU. Okay. So you are anytime side, anywhere, any side, going to any side, the website you are open, and you are any playing game, you are any listen music, you are any recording, you are any making a software program, any type of you are watch editing video, photo editing, everything, all of work is CPU. So first I will discuss what is a CPU. Second is why use CPU. This topic I will discuss, okay. And third is how work CPU, okay. And fourth is how many type of CPU, okay. So one by one I will discuss in some videos, okay. So this is a very large of amount, very large of using a computer in the world. Every computer have a using a important of part CPU, central processing unit, and certain processing unit used motherboard. So without motherboard you cannot using CPU. This is a two of main part, okay. So understand about first computer. What is a CPU? Important is this of question. So first understand about what is the full name of a central processing unit. CPU full name is central processing unit, also called central processor or main processor, okay. So this is central processing unit. This tab is a CPU, you can see here. Okay, and you can see this is a modern type of CPU technology, modern type of computer. This is your main computer. Okay, this is a computer main brain your. Without this chip, without this CPU central processor, you cannot work your computer. Okay, CPU is the electrical circuitry with a computer that executed instructions that make up a computer program. Okay, so this is circuitry, electrical circuitry, and this execute instruction. Okay, instruction means how this instruction working in system startup. I will discuss one by one video. Okay, but that is a makeup of a computer program. You are any create a program, you are create any type of file folder, any you are A to Z, any type of work. Without CPU not you can start up, you cannot work. This is a very important of part. But how this CPU work? CPU need of a very of powerful of parts. So how all of part have, so this second type of device created motherboard. Okay, this is a main of part second. Without motherboard CPU not work, and CPU without not work motherboard. This is a very important for understand about. This is the third generation of a motherboard. You can see here. So why this type of a motherboard using a, okay, I will discuss in a some video what is a motherboard, why using motherboard. Okay, one by one. But I'm discuss directly first about CPU related. Okay, so motherboard is a main of a part of computer. All of component attached on motherboard is called motherboard. This reason. Okay, so all of part just like VGA port, background port. I will discuss in some video what is the ports of system, and completely I will show you how motherboard work in startup. So RAM slot, AGP slot, what is a north piece, south piece, startup technology, everything I will discuss in one by one. Okay, so you can see this is a one type of a motherboard, and this is a importer of part computer. Okay, second is a motherboard, modern type of motherboard. Okay, any motherboard. Without motherboard CPU not work. Okay, and motherboard is needed to CPU. So CPU where is a fit, where is a install. So you can see here CPU socket. Okay, so every motherboard have a very important part, and already computer hardware engineer, computer one type of a motherboard designer created of designing for high level or best performance, very easy and very fast, plus very good of performance and responsible. That type of created means a high level type of motherboard. Every generation time to time change it, and new type of introduced to motherboard and CPU. But in my channel I am discuss only Intel company related one by one. Okay, because I like Intel company, because this is very of a good of every side, every field in every performance very perfect, just like gaming side, video editing, sound effect, operating system running, multiple work, multiple of startup and operating system booking, shutdown, and this is a very important of a part. Execute very fast to response. So this, my opinion is this is good performance. Okay, better than AMD. And you can see here this is a one type of a motherboard showing up here. So where is install? So every motherboard create one type of CPU socket installation place. You can see up here. Okay, I'm again showing you. Okay, so this area side you can install. So every motherboard different type of designing of a socket create. I will discuss one by one, not only one type of CPU socket. Uh, every LGS type socket. So how to identify? First, to understand about what is CPU. So CPU is your computer brain. Okay. Without a computer brain, you cannot start your computer. And this is a very important of part your computer. Every small to small work, any work, any side work, any field type of work, just like networking, hardware, on your file creating, operating system boot up, operating system start, you create a new folder, everything data, every data processor. This is a processing. Okay, it's called central processor. Okay, so without process not showing in your monitor, not showing on your data. Okay, and this is a very powerful of devices. Every work of a computer load and every process, this is a only one of a chip. Okay, so it's called central processor. So understand about two more to about what is a CPU. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic, controlling and input-output operation specified by the instruction in the program. Okay, so this is a very important of about basic arithmetic. So why basic arithmetic of a system? Every computer, every system, all generation time 1952 1956, all generation type of a computer, not more to more reply but some reply give, and very long of a big of this computer all generation time, minimum 2 room type of place. You can see here this is a very large of computer. Okay, very big of computer, and this using a vacuum tube technology, thousand of using vacuum tube technology, and only 2 MB only save of data this area here. Okay, only 2 MB, maybe some KB you are using and you know save here. Okay, but logically especially to object scientists only for mathematics, arithmetics and some controlling program. This reason to create one type of a machine, one type of a analog machine, one type of a very high level type of high frequency. I will discuss in some time. Okay, so very high level power using computer, very large of computer. So this computer create after first of created small computer, not in one circuit only. Okay, see, not only one of processor. This is a processor. This is a processor. You can see here old generation type of processor. So this is a created of a first generation to second generation. This type of second generation. This type is showing okay computer of a central processor. This is the first generation computer, second generation computer. So that is why using of a computer, arithmetic, logic, controlling and input operation. Okay, specified by the instruction in the program. And third generation, you can see here, this is a one type of a small chip. So the computer industry use the term central processing unit. Okay, central processing unit as early as 1955. You can see here 1955 using of central processing everything. But this is a very big, very very much more power use, and sometimes very hot of ROM. Okay, so traditionally the term CPU refers to a processor. Okay, more specify its processing unit and control unit. Okay, PU and CU. Okay, so processor unit means process and control unit means CU. Okay, so some control on your machine, some your process. Okay, so that is a very of a small type of reply and control, but very more type of using, you can say, vacuum tools. I will discuss in some video what is a vacuum tool and how this works. So the term CPU refers to process, means process, very important for, and distinguishing this core element, okay, of a computer from external components such as a main memory and input output circuit. So this is a main computer, but input output circuit other type of created. This is a main of a computer, very big of a computer, very big of CPU. Only not computer, only CPU you can see here. But second generation, you can see this type of CPU very small and very fast. So complete program only 0 and bit 1 bit. Okay, so all of a program that is a 0 and 1. 0 means negative, 1 means positive. This type of computer program. Today computer always, you can see 0 and 1 bit. What is a bit? Computer have using two type of a binary code, 0 and 1. Okay, that is a one type of reply to give main of a computer central processor unit. Okay, and after bit L2 and L1 cache memory. Okay, CPU have memory chip. Okay, why this? Because instruction of program installed in memory. Okay, I will discuss how this L1 L2 cache memory work in CPU. But understand about external computers such as main memory input output circuitry is an in a CPU system. Okay, so after created this type of CPU, small of chip, this you can see all big of a 1955 computer, and you can see here 1985 computer. Okay, 45 years, after 45 years this type of computer. Okay, this type of small chip. So this is a one type of you can see how micro technology, and this is a analog and mechanism technology. So not more using a high level type of big room, only small chip. Okay, and this small chip using circuit, one type of circuit PCB. After modern type of technology, you can see this type of a small to small chip. In 2001, after 2003, you can see here. So this is a CPU of you can see here. So this is a, you can see here, this is a very high or very big of computer of size, and engineer lot of designing, lot of very hard work and precision micro technology using, and create new type of a CPU, central processing unit, process everything data, everything reply, controlling and process it's called CPU chip. Okay, so in this system using a thousand of transistor, thousand of using a billion of transistor. Okay, so how this working, how this circuit diagram in nanotechnology I will discuss in some video, but I am just showing what is a CPU. Okay, so this chip without you cannot working any your computer. Every computer have using a CPU, every computer, because a computer need to process, okay, data processing and controlling this type work. And CPU language only binary program. Okay, CPU binary program 0 and 1. I will discuss in next round video how these work out. So input output circuitry and main memory of a part. Okay, old generation time how this working in system I will discuss, already created a video in my third video. I think I already told you computer history. Okay, computer hardware history, watch video. So traditionally this is a term using a CPU process of a main of part processing. So this is a very important for understand about the CPU system. Okay, so next time I will discuss uh, why use CPU. Okay, and the next video very is important for you, why use CPU. Okay, and without CPU how your work computer, how your how reply, how your computer perform. So second is important of part video in discuss give, and I will important of a part information give why use CPU. So click on subscribe, click on bell icon, and any questions or comment me I will discuss and I will reply 24 hours. Okay, you answer, I will give answer. So next time I will discuss why use CPU. So thank you, have a nice day. Next time I will continue on why use CPU. So thank you, have a nice day. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and name. So you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, Office in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.